I am Dinakaraj from ECE A section. Hall ticket number 20951 A0442. Subject chemistry. Topic addition polymerization. Polymers. Polymers and polymerization. Polymers are macromolecules built up by the linking together of large number of much smaller molecules. The process of linking the repeating units is termed as polymerization. Monomers, the small molecule which combine with each other to form polymer molecules are termed monomers. Here are some examples of polymers, monomers. How big are polymers? This ends up with a chain of approximately 1 by 4 inch 6.4 millimeter in diameter and 1 by 2 mile 805 meter long. Classification of polymers depending on their structure. Linear polymers. And also classification of polymers depending on their structure. Branched polymers. Here is example of linear polymers and branched polymers. Classification of polymers depending on the structure. Polymers is used as rubber. High degree of cross-linking gives high stability, high melting point. Types of polymers and polymerization. Classification of polymers. Polymer structure and polymerization mechanism. Condensation polymers, addition polymers, step polymerization, chain polymerization. Types of polymerization. Monomers undergo polymerization by two types. They are addition or chain polymerization, condensation or step polymerization. The addition condensation system. What are addition polymers? Addition polymers are those formed from monomers without the loss of a small molecule. Is called addition polymers. Polymer structure. The addition condensation system. Condensation polymers. Polymers whose repeating units are joined together by functional units such as ester and other linkages. Polymer structure. The addition condensation system. The major addition polymers are those formed by polymerization of monomers containing carbon-carbon double bond. Such polymers are called vinyl monomers or substitute ethylenes. Addition polymerization. Self-addition or several bifunctional polymers each other takes place by chain reaction without the elimination of any simple molecules. General reaction. Additional polymerization is initiated by small quantity of substance called imitators. Example here potassium persulfate. Condensation polymerization. Self-addition of several bifunctional monomers to each other take place accompanying elimination of simple molecules. Toluene is obtained by condensing terphenyl acid